Hey y'all, today we're going to be building a LinkedIn job scraper, which you can integrate with Telegram so you can stay tuned with the latest jobs. And the technologies we're going to be using is Cloud Functions from Google and also Cloud Scheduler. We're going to be using an API from Rapid API, and we're also going to be using Python. So pretty much the first step what we're going to do is we're going to set up Telegram and create a bot. So first of all, you have to look for bot fodder, which you can find right here. As you can see, you click on bot fodder and then you're going to click on start. As you can see, it will give you lots of different commands how to use it, but we're going to create a new bot. So the first one is new bot. Then we'll ask you to set up a name for your bot, which is going to use it. We can use test LinkedIn job scraper bot. Click enter, and now it will ask you to choose a username for your bot. So same thing, we're just going to put underscores between it. There you go. And bang, there you go. So that's done. Congrats on your new bot. So that's good to go, ready. And as you can see here, it will assign you an HTTP API. And for testing, what we're going to do right now is we're going to create a group. So you're going to click on new group here. Just skip this here and assign a group name. So just test group for jobs. There you go. That's done. Now, what we have to do here is we have to add up the bot name or the bot itself. So we're just going to copy and paste this. There you go. Go back to the test group. Click here, add the bot. There it is. And bang, done. So what you have to do right now is you have to make sure this bot you created needs to be promoted to admin. For some reason, you cannot do it on the web app, so you have to do it through your phone. So all you have to do is, you go to Telegram through your phone, you go to the group, you click on the header where you can see the members. Now you click on the bot itself, you hold it for like 1 or 2 seconds, then a menu pops up. It says promote to admin. You have to promote to admin, and okay, that's done. So this bot has been promoted to admin. So Telegram is good to go now. We created a Telegram group and also the bot, and we're ready for step 2. For step 2, we have to go to rapidapi.com and we're going to sign in. I think I already have an account, but let me just double check. Oh, there you go. Yeah, okay. So here you have to look for, I think it's called Rapid LinkedIn API. I forgot the name, but yeah, there you go. It says Rapid LinkedIn Jobs API. That's the one you need, okay? All right. So first of all, what you have to do here, you have to subscribe to test, which is totally free. Don't worry about it. As you can see here, it's $0 per month, and you have 50 requests per month, which is more than enough if you want to make 1 request per day. So you're just going to click on subscribe. It says here, skip, get started. Okay. All right. So you got an API assigned. And what we're going to do right now is we're going to click on search jobs v2. Click on it, and here you're going to put in params. Well, here you can see the filters, what you can use, keywords, location ID, like in what country you want to look for jobs, date posted, salary, job type, experience level, function, start date, and on-site remote. And here below you can see the strings you can use to set up the search criteria, right? Okay, so this one, I already have the code here ready to go in Python. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go to step 3. We're going to set up the cloud function, right? So first of all, we're going to click on create function. You're going to select in the environment, you're going to select first generation function name. You can just put like test job scraper function. Just leave a default in the region US Central 1. Click on trigger type HTTP and also allow unauthenticated invocations and also allow or activate require HTTPS. We're going to click on save, click on next. And here make sure you change your runtime from Node to Python 3.12. And this is the code I'm going to be using here. It's already ready to go. I'm going to leave it in the GitHub link below so you can look for it. You just paste it here. And the first thing you have to do is make sure to add your Rapid API key right here. So I'm just going to add mine right here. Just copy it. Where is it? Oh, there you go. Okay, there you go. Here we're gonna paste in the bot API. So we're gonna go back to bot fodder, copy this API token, go back to Cloud Function, paste the API key, and what we have to do, one more thing, is the Telegram group ID, which you can find, you click on the group we just created, and the Telegram group ID, you can find it right here, where it starts with minus. You copy the whole thing and go back to Cloud Function, you paste it right here, and that's pretty much it. One more thing, we have to add requests to requirements.txt. That's the one we're going to be using. And okay, so one more thing, we're going to set up the search criteria. So for example, what I'm going to use, I'm going to look in Spain. So I'm going to show you how to look for the location code. So just type in like sales if you're looking for sales jobs. Click on jobs. And I'm already looking in Spain. So what you have to look for here is, let me see here. Click on search again. You have to look for geo ID. This here. This is what I need, geo ID. Every country has a different geo ID. If you go to United States, it will show a different code. So make sure you have the right code. You go back to your function, and here you're going to put in here where it says location ID. You're going to paste in the code we just copied, which is pretty much Spain. And here in developer, if you're looking for developer roles, you just leave developer or Spain. If you're looking for sales roles, then we're just gonna leave sales. Pretty much we're gonna look for jobs past week, not past 24 hours. So there you go, past week. We're gonna put right here, past week, on-site or remote. We're gonna put remote, and also most recent jobs, okay? All right, so I think that's pretty much it. What we're going to do right now is we're going to test our function. It should be good to go. So start testing. This is going to take like 2 or 3 minutes, probably depends. So I'm going to pause this video, and when it's up and running and everything is good, I'll be back with you. Okay, so I forgot one more thing here. So pretty much the entry point, we have to change the entry point. That's why it's not working right now. So the main entry point, the Cloud Function entry point is main. So you have to change hello world to main. And we're going to test the function again. So let's open the terminal and click run test. And again, I'm just going to pause it. And when I have like the final response again, I'll be back. Okay. So I have the final response here. Function is ready to test, but it says here HTTP status 0. So I'm just going to test one more time, run test. And for some reason, I think it should work now. I'm just going to give it like a few more seconds. Lots of jobs should be posted in this group back to back. And but it says here, okay, so I'm just going to pause for now and come back with another final result or response. Okay, I'm back. So pretty much what I forgot to mention is when you create this Telegram group, you also have to send a quick message to the group. Just type in test and send it over, and then as you can see, it worked. So pretty much everything function is ready to test. Everything went well. So once more, I'm just going to send test, and just remember when you create the group, right after you create it and you add the bot and everything, then you have to send test, right? I totally forgot about this step. So again, you click on run test, and as you can see, or let's just wait, probably it has to post the latest jobs from LinkedIn from the last week. There you go. There you go. Beautiful, worked. So yeah, let's just double check how many jobs we had from test. Okay, we just done test like 1 minute ago. So there you go, online sales specialist, 8 minutes ago, pre-audio sales manager. This is all in Spain. For some reason, it's also including Europe, I think. Spain, European Union. Well, there you go. It's working right now, which is great. So we're gonna deploy the function. Everything looks pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna deploy it. It's gonna take like probably like 1 minute again. And what we're gonna do for the next step is, which is the last step, we're gonna set up Cloud Scheduler. So you can just set up at what time or what day, just once a week or once a month, you want to run this function. So you can just scrape this job. Let me show you my group. I have this group here with 4,500 members. I created 2 APIs, one for LinkedIn and one from for Google scraping for jobs, specifically just for Latin America, right? So I have 2 APIs, one running every day and one running every week, right? So it's pretty good. As you can see, this was posted yesterday with lots of developer roles for this group: Mexico, Brazil, Colombia, .NET developer, whatever. So yeah. Anyways, let's see if this Cloud Function is already up and running. Okay. In the meantime, we're just going to create the Cloud Scheduler job. So we're just going to click Test Cloud Scheduler. Just leave it region as default for US Central 1. Frequency, I do recommend, if you want to run it every day at 8 p.m., you have to put this here. This is 8, right? Here you go, 8 p.m. every day, time zone, Spain, Madrid time zone. I do recommend reading the document, right, for cron job formatted time zone. As you can see, it explains here how to convert the time you want to cron. Okay, so Cloud Function is up and running, as you can see, which is great. Everything has been set up, so we're going to click on continue. Here, target type, you're going to put HTTP, and here we have to look for the trigger URL from the Cloud Function. So we're going to click on the Cloud Function we just created, and you're going to click on trigger, and here's the trigger URL. Just copy it, paste it right here. Just leave it as default as post. And that's pretty much it. Continue, and one more thing, create. So that's pretty much it. This is a great beginner project if you're learning cloud, pretty much in Google Cloud, and you can add it up to your portfolio. And also if you want to create a group for your specific country or specific region where you live to post jobs automatically every day or every week. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much.